Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. 2 people are now displaced after a fire destroyed 4 apartment units in St. Mary earlier this morning, leaving millions of dollars in damage. Yannick Williams has the details.
Fire has reduced 4 apartment units to ashes, leaving devastation in its wake in Content Retreat, St. Mary. Residents say shortly after 7 a.m., they noticed smoke coming from a section of the building and quickly raised an alarm. They say the situation unfolded quickly, leaving little time to save much.
As I enter into the building, I smelling something burning. But where it burning, I can't tell. I can't detect where and whatever, but I know something a burn. I say I don't like the burning, you know. I don't like that smell. That smell don't sound smell good to me. Anyway, I leave. I say I go up, go finish bed. I did wash out certain little things. And if I go get myself bed now, because ready for rings out and so. Me heard somebody that come down from the step go down the road, start to shout me. And I said, Janet, make your son come downstairs, the shop is on fire.
Ms. Smith says she was only able to retrieve a drawer containing documents.
Everything else, bed, every striking thing where you can think of, gone down in the flame. My daughter left on the phone. I said, Sulian, your mother no have nowhere to sleep tonight because the house is burned down. It catch on fire because the flooring is board. So you know downstairs coming up, it go and burn. So we have to make it
structure.
No, right, less concrete. Don't go the bathroom and the kitchen, it is concrete and certain part downstairs the shop. But everything else is board.
1 unit from the Ocho Rios Fire Department responded to the blaze, but when firefighters arrived, it was too late. While investigations continue into the cause of the fire, residents say hours before it happened, they heard a loud explosion from an electricity pole.
We have this light problem with JPS from Thursday morning before day, after 2 going to 3 o'clock. I heard when a sound from the light post give out, and I hear blow like a pan, you know, make a whole combustible noise. I said to my son, what is that? On the JPS post, it looked like something, you know, leak out or something, and he said the transformer leak out.
Yannick Williams, TVJ News.